This one here is Rajesh Malhotra, Bentley Mark 6. It's 1947 model, 4250cc, two-door razor edge body by James Young. The James Youngs, I think, the name of the creator of the car. I think it's from Jharkhand or from outside of India, by the number, judging by the number plate. And here, the old conventional tires, the spoke tires. You hardly can see this kind of tires right now. The interior is awesome also. Oh my god, look at the interiors. It's really awesome. Still now it's sparkling. Still now it's sparkling. 4 and 1/4 LTR Derby. The model name is Aditya Malik Bentley. Drop head curve forward. It's curve car. I think it's yes, it's convertible one. You can really open that hood. Bentley. I think that's the finish of the Bentley gallery. Let's see what we can find next. Thank you.